Alright guys, like I said, at this location I'm going to do a dirt hole. Again, I use a drill and an inch auger this time. And I can take my groundhog tool here, widen that out a little bit. Used this big rock last year as a backing, and that's what I'm going to do again this year. Place this rock here. I'm going to bed my trap right here. And of course, I always find rocks. That rock to that backing right there. And I know a lot of guys set their trap back from the hole 8-10 inches. Mine's generally probably about 6 to 8. I will offset it slightly if I can. And a lot of people say, well, your trap needs to be back here because that's where the coyote's feet are when he's looking down that hole. And that may be true. But if he wants what's in that hole, he's got to dig for it. So he's going to step up here closer and be moving his feet around to dig in that hole. So I think you need to guard the hole. This time I'm going to use a Duke 550 Pro. Make sure your anchor's set. And I encourage you to definitely check that, guys. I had one last year. I didn't realize it until I checked to make sure it was set. And I'd actually cut that cable in two with the driver, and it just popped right out of the ground. Again, I use polyfill under my pan. Take it down the night latch. And again, make sure that trap is set and solid. All right, now it's solid. A little more salt. This is supposed to be down low 20s for the next several days in eastern Kentucky anyway. Take that polyfill up, burn that pan a little better. Try to blend this in. And on this one, I'm going to use a little bit of Hoosier Trapping Supply Top Dog Predator bait. Worked really well for me last year. Again, I don't put a big lot of that down that hole. I just kind of wrap it with some sheep's wool. Stick it as far down in that hole as I can get it to go. Q-tip down in the bottle. I'm going to put a little bit of Coyote Carnage. Put that right down that hole. And the same thing, I'm going to dip a Q-tip down in a little bit of Vixen Elixir from Hoosier Trapping. And I'm going to tuck it right up under this rock here. A little squirt of coyote urine right on that rock.